How to use Lightforth for business. Step 1. Accept your invitation. To access Lightforth for business, you must first be invited by another user. Once you receive the invitation, click on the Set Up Your Account button included in the invite. Step 2. Create your account, enter your email address, and create a secure password. Then click Continue. You'll receive a confirmation prompt indicating that your account has been successfully set up. Step 3. Set up your profile. Provide the required details to complete your profile. Once finished, click Next to proceed. Step 4. Add business information. Input your business details, including the necessary information about your organization. Then click Next. Step 5. Refer a business if desired. Refer other businesses to Lightforth using a referral code or by sending an invitation via email. Step 6. Access your dashboard. Once the setup is complete, you'll be directed to your dashboard. From here, you can start exploring and utilizing Lightforth's tools and features for businesses.